Naabot na sa Osmeña Peak. And we're about to get off the van. So we're now in Osmeña Peak parking lot. Bugno ka siya diri, guys. So it's my third time here. The last time I was here was last year. And yeah, we're about to climb the mountain. Bugno chicken. So naabot mi diri around 7:05 at exactly 7:05. So look, it's so nice. Bago na siya diri, na siya mga store. Last year
Ingani nagyapon to.
The daffodils.
Ingari gyapon to.
Wala yung soda, sorry.
Ingani na to liyor.
Dili, hanggang ito siya buwak.
I love the daffodils.
Is it your first time here?
Yeah.
Nagpapakita sa akong camera. So bugno ka siya, no?
Yes, pare ka bugno.
Actually, this is just the tip of the iceberg. The tip of the iceberg. So you will see the beauty of nature when you climb up upstairs. Upstairs daw. Yeah, actually, wala na siya diri. When you are at the top, you'll be because nice ka dito, guys. Yeah, you'll be amazed by nature and you will say, thanks God, I existed. Yeah, so let me just share something. Nasaag mi ganina kaya mo driver. Nagsunod siya sa Google niya. Ang Google kay scam. So we're supposed to be here at around 6:30 something. But nasaag man mi, so we need to go back. We need to siya tanawa. Look. Wala pa ganun, paningot, naghangos na ko. So we're now in Tourism Information Center. Yeah, that's not center, it's center. When letter N and letter N and letter T are together, you pronounce it at center, not center, okay? That's what I've learned from high school.
That's what I've learned from Justin.
So when you're here, you need to write your name. Kay basta mahog ka sa libaong. Mailhan ra ka. Mailhan ra ka. Basta mahog ka sa libaong sa taas. So waya ka ilanin mo. So lo kagwapo no Sir Holmes. John Lloyd. Maabot mo diri, guys, you need to have at least one tour guide. Tour guide? Yeah. So, unsay name mo, kuya? Ili.
May buntag.
May buntag, kuya. Oh.
Okay, sige, tulog ma. Singit.
Zoom in. Zoom out. Gihangos na ko.
Hala, to ana sila dito. Patay.
So, mo ni siya mong akyaton. You will see some vegetables along the way. Last na kong ari kay last year. Gihangos na ko. Layo pa kayo, mi. Nanami sa tunga-tunga and bugnaw na kayo siya. The wind is getting stronger. Look at the view, guys. There are flowers. So we're almost there. Kapit lang. Maabot na ta. Hapit na. Hapit na dyan. Kapoy. Nika, pagdali in town diha. Kapoy kayo siya. So guys, magplano gyud mo mari. Pagdala mag tubig. Drink water. Wow! Look! It's so worth it. I mean, all the struggles and pain are paid off. paid off rather. Yung spell, yung grammar ha. Hi.
Hello. Welcome to my vlog.
So that is over there is Toledo City, I guess.
That's Negros.
No. Okay, so musa ka na ta. Kay, napa ang spectacular view sa pinakataas. Are you ready? I can't hear you. Are you ready? Can you hear and see me well? Can you hear me? I cannot hear you. Say yes if you can hear me. Because we're almost there. Are you there? Okay. In a few more steps, we're here. Are you ready? Can you hear and see me well? Oh, God. Muna siya ang view actually. Gwapo ka sa kung paano.
With my pet.
Nag-iro diri.
Yeah.
Tugi-tugi.
Sorry.
So guys, if you plan to climb up here, blink. Please bring 1 liter of water. Yeah, 1 liter. Ah! Kita rin lagi customer.
Picture kayo.
Kami lang mga tao, so pwede ka mo siya agad! Dali. Lah, niigo akong tingog.
Lucky me!
Echo. And we're now going down.
It's coming.
So how was the experience?
Alright, that's great.
How's the experience? How's the experience? Experiencing. When itubag. Ako nalay mo tubag. So ang experience kay nice. Nice sa. So padung namin naog. And yeah, by the way, before ko manaog, ako sa ikuan ang view.
English?
Yeah, I forgot to let you look. Let you see. Okay, so this is the view. So, padong nami sa Simala Church is our second destination. If you love nature or are you into mountain climbing, come to Osmeña Peak. It's worth it. But remember, you need to bring water. Kay ohawon mo ining abot sa ibabaw. Pag hinay. Maapil ko. Okay, how was your experience, sir? Junji. By the way, mo na siya among driver.
Unexplainable.
Gisaag bigyan.
Unbelievable.
Gisaag. Okay. So, kuan siya dili pa siya solid like cemento andahan because it's developing. Maybe soon.